Welcome to this beautiful studio apartment with all the basic features. There is a tiny kitchen at the entrance with a hidden washing machine below and an oven on top, a small sink with ample counter space, a hob, and good storage space at top and bottom. On the opposite side, there is a full size, spacious washroom, and on the lobby, we have some built in wall shelves for decorative purpose. Oh, and there is a built in hidden fridge. This is a great feature. As you move forward, there is a full size sliding wardrobe with glass doors that make it look spacious and classy. Right next to it, there is a study table cum TV unit. This is the living room slash bedroom of the house with an attached balcony, and you can place a tiny sofa cum bed here. Oh, and there is a second full size sliding wardrobe which gives so much extra storage in the house. All in all, a beautiful and a cozy place for a single person to live in. Thank you for watching.